A lot of you guys only see the finished product or when the modules get shipped to the site, but I wanted to take you in through the factory here and just show you a little bit behind the scenes. This is one of our incredible facilities here. We can do very small ranch homes. We can do very, very large two-story mansions. All of it inside, controlled facility, assembly line, great oversight. Materials are fresh and out of the elements. Let's go inside and take a look. Hey, Jeremy Bates here, Buffalo Modular Homes. We're inside this beautiful plant. Look at this weather in here. It's never snowing in here. We got 3 inches of snow outside. We got beautiful weather inside. Never are you gonna get rain on your product. Never are you gonna get snow. It's never gonna be sitting in the mud out there. This is a beautiful way to build. This is the inside lumberyard. This is why we build modular. Look at all this building product inside. Never touching the rain. This is the only way to build. These pallets and pallets of supplies, all inside the factory. They're never touching the weather. They're never touching the elements. In fact, right outside, it's snowing. We got the first big snowfall of the year. People are shutting down roads. Not in here. On here, we're dropping into 4th gear and we're rolling along, getting people into their homes all winter long. So we want to know why the linoleum floor is a little more cost effective to do on site is because we put it down without any walls in place. You cover this whole 30 wide floor system with linoleum and then you build on top of it. Very cost effective way to build, very easy way to build. We pass these savings along to the customer and just such a great process. This is one of the ways that we can save customers money is because in the factory we buy in bulk. So look at this. Look at the quantities that we're sitting on. We pass these savings on to the customer. This is the only way to build modular. Hey man, give me a thumbs up. Awesome. Thumbs up. All right. This is why all the angles are so true. Quality on every window frame. Double priming the walls. We got the drywall installed. We're all mudded up, finished, and now we're doing the undercoat here. 2 coats, bright white, ready for your finished painter. Give you a broader perspective of the room. This is the kitchen, island, L shape. There's your steel farmer's sink. We got recessed lights throughout the whole thing. There's the hood range vent. That'll be a direct vent outside. Look at this process. You want to know why we save money building modular inside? It's just like this. Efficiency. So we're in the ultimate kitchen. It's called the ultimate kitchen because that's the package. It's called the ultimate kitchen package. And it comes with a number of really, really, really nice upgrades like this Brown steel range hood, pot filler, this Subway backsplash. Crescent edge is standard on all the kitchens. The ash cabinetry, raised panel, these oversized handles, everything soft close, pantries, crown molding, under molding, farmhouse steel sink, upgraded faucet, dishwasher, a full appliance package. So when it's called the Ultimate Kitchen Package, it's aptly named because it's loaded. Recessed lights, incredible.